Hi guys, welcome back to my channel today. Guys, today in this video I want to answer a very question that everyone has been asking me in a while about AdMob and AdSense right here. So the first thing is that people want to know what's the difference between AdMob and AdSense. So we're gonna be looking into that in this video, and then also we're gonna take a look about if you can withdraw your payment on AdSense or AdMob before you reach the threshold. We all know that the threshold on the AdMob AdSense are $100. Once you reach 100 USD, you're gonna be able to withdraw. But people were asking, can I withdraw before I met the threshold? So if there is a trick that leads to it, if there is a trick that you can do, I'm going to show you everything in this video. And if there's no trick, I'm going to show you everything as well in this video. So let us try to see if we can get this money out of this AdSense account before reaching 100 USD. So guys, let us get into this. Okay guys, and you're welcome back here. So the rules are very simple on AdSense and AdMob. You have to make money with YouTube or your website to be able to get some payment on AdSense, and then for AdMob you have to make payments and with your applications to be able to have some money in your AdMob. So those are the two ways that you can use to get a payment from those two things. So, and then as for YouTube, the rules are simple. You have to get monetized, and to get monetized you have to reach 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers. So already I am over 1,000 subscribers, so and then just only the watch hour remains for me to be monetized and then to be able to withdraw on the AdSense. So for now I have this money on this my AdSense account, which is 87.37 USD. So how am I gonna take this money out without reaching the threshold? Guys, the number one thing I'm gonna tell you is that don't let anyone lie to you. There's only one way for you to remove this money. If anyone told you, okay, you can remove it in some way or the other that is different from the ways I'm going to tell you now, just trash the discussion, because it is not real and it's not possible. The only one way for you to remove your money before it reaches a threshold is for you to cancel your account. Okay, it's for you to do what? To cancel your account. Once you created a AdSense account and maybe you were not using it for like 3 months to 6 months, there's no payment in them, AdSense is going to send you a message into your email. I'm going to show you that real quick in my mail, into your email, telling you that your AdSense has been inactive. So for this reason they're going to deactivate your account. Deactivating your account is different from deleting your account. Once your account is being deactivated, you can reactivate it anytime you want to reactivate it. So let us try to check the AdSense messages. So you can see, I think it's here. You see, it says it has been deactivated. As mentioned last month, your AdSense for Europe, you see, has been deactivated due to not receiving earnings for the last 6 months. So deactivating means you can reactivate it anytime. And if you are not interested again, you can just cancel, closing your account. It's here, you see, closing your account, and then you may receive your AdSense YouTube balance after resolving any problem holding it and then closing your account. Then after then you receive the payment in between 6 months after you've reactivate your account. So the thing is that if I reactivate this account now, this AdSense account now, I'm going to get this payment in my bank account in the next 6 months. That is the maximum time that Google is giving you. So in the next 6 months you're gonna receive this payment. So don't let anyone tell you that you can withdraw any AdSense or AdMob payment $5 before you reach $100. That is not real for now. I can tell you that's not real for now. I can't say about tomorrow, but tomorrow Google might change their terms and conditions. They might be able to tell you guys that okay, from now on you can withdraw once you have $50, once you have $10. Yeah, Google might do that later on, I don't know, but for now it is not working that way. You only get paid once you reach 100 USD. You might be looking for you might be looking that why did I have 98.47 as my last payment. Okay, let me try to explain that to you. The thing was that when I was about to receive this payment, I had 120 USD on this account, and then there are some taxes that you have to pay, as you can see all over here as well. This action requires is just telling me to check into my tax information and add something to it. So there are some taxes that you have to pay, and then I think it is 25% of your payment. Yeah, 25%. So they're going to remove 25% out of your money. So for example, now if you have 100 USD minus $25, that is you're going to receive payment of 75 USD. So that's the reason why you are seeing this 98.47. But before you can ever receive any payment from AdSense, you have to make sure you reach 100 USD or close your account and get paid within 6 months. So that's how it is done, and that is all for today's video. So guys, thank you for watching this video up to this time. Please subscribe and please share this video. Let me reach the 4K watcher so that my channel can be monetized. Thank you guys. So guys, till I see you in my next video, stay home and stay safe. Yeah, I love you.